就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for another Hakka song on Icrt with this band called Chun Mian. They took their name from a Taiwanese noodle dish called Yangchun noodles, actually. And what we're listening to is a brand new demo that they haven't put out yet. That's right, brand new. The song is called Hiking, or Kiesan, and the song aims to express how one learns to love things that they experience while they're on a hike, such as the people that they're with, the mountains, the trees, the streams, the stars, and this island that we share together. So let's take a listen.这首歌呢是来自于春面乐团的新歌，而且是个 demo 带，在这边抢先曝光哦。它叫做 Kiesan 爬山，而歌曲想要表达的是，当我们爬山的时候啊，我们要学会爱护每位同伴，以及爱上我们的山林、小水流、星辰，以及我们共同拥有的这座岛。非常适合边爬山边听的一首歌哦。这个天气好了，就约一些伙伴一起来爬山吧。All right, let's go hiking next time, shall we? My name is Joseph Lin, and that does today's Hakka song. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.